So once you have cloned the repository using this command, so it will download things and then give you proper instruction, and you'll run into something like these commands. So what you have to do, if you try to use UV, it won't directly run. So say that your Tinygrad is too old. So what you have to do is clone the entire thing, and before using cd, go to copy the sh command. So skip the bin sh and copy everything from the second line, and then use uv run to run the python command, and that should actually install it. So after downloading it, if you see the same message, what you have to do is go to general, go to login items and extensions, and then click on this category. Then you'll see something called driver extensions. Click on the eye icon and then enable it. Type your password or the fingerprint login, and you should see the kernel extension installed. And then let's try it out. So it will be using CUDA 12.8 and not 13. So let's take a look and see. So you have to have a proper desktop or OrbStack or Olima running. So this will take some time. So depending on the driver version, because CUDA packages are very large. So let's check the activity monitor. We are using less than 16 gigabyte. Do note that you'll see a lot of swap usage. So it has taken 2 minutes to complete everything. Let me copy this. So I finally figured out the issue. It seems that this one has an issue when parsed with flower bracket or flower braces. So if you just use dev is equal to NV, so not sure why, but this should work. I just went with dev is equal to NV since I'm using NVIDIA. So I'm just being explicit with the command. And this is the UV virtual environment Python file. And I just run it as Tinygrad.llm. So it will download the required Llama 3.2. It seems I did not have to do anything. I just had to press enter. Check if LM Studio detects. So I tried updating it. It still does not recognize the CUDA. I think that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.